Putting on some makeup today, ito yung ginagawa ko kung kailangan ang makeup ko ay a little heavier than usual. First, we start with eyelash glue to brush up my eyebrows and keep them in place. May tendency kasi mag-droop yung brows ko kasi medyo manipis siya. Then, we fill them in with eyebrow powder using a thin angled brush. Eyeshadow naman ngayon to make my eyes more defined. Tapos line my upper lash line with a sharp black liquid eyeliner. Hindi din mawawala ang false lashes whenever I need to look made up. They just make your eyes pop. A little shadow on the bottom eyeline also. Then I put my concealer after I'm done with the eyes, making sure na it's not too thick para hindi ako mukhang espasol. A little cheek color brushed upwards para may lifting effect. At syempre, highlighter is life over the cheeks and tip of the nose para mukhang bright skin and higher cheeks. A little powder in the oily areas of my face, not too much, para iwas espasol look. And last but not least, a nude lip using one of my favorite lip pencils for a classy understated look. Ay, tapos konting lip balm pala kasi nakaka-dry ang lip pencil. And we're done! Ikaw, how do you get glammed up?